Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cashflow Lab, the channel where we explore smart ways to leverage technology for financial growth. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with the help of AI tools. Whether you're interested in stocks, ETFs, or crypto, artificial intelligence can help you analyze massive amounts of data and spot trends faster than any human could. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. We're just exploring tools that help you understand market trends and data. Investing is all about information, timing, and analysis. But with so much data available, price charts, news, social sentiment, and financial reports, it can be overwhelming. This is where AI comes in. Modern AI tools can scan massive datasets, identify patterns, and highlight opportunities you might miss. And the best part, you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars for these insights. Today, I'll show you 3 free AI tools you can use to make smarter decisions faster. The first tool is TradingView, a well-known platform for charting and technical analysis. TradingView has AI-powered screeners that can automatically highlight stocks or crypto that meet certain technical criteria. You can set alerts for price movements, track patterns like breakouts or reversals, and create watch lists tailored to your interests. Even on the free plan, TradingView lets you access a lot of powerful charting features and use the AI screener to focus on the assets that matter most. This is especially helpful if you're trying to quickly scan multiple markets without spending hours manually analyzing charts. Next up is FinChat.io, an AI-powered financial chatbot. This tool can pull insights from company financials, news, and market data in seconds. For example, you can ask it questions like "Show me trending ETFs this month" or "What are the top gaining stocks today?" And it will summarize the relevant data. FinChat is great for filtering information fast and getting a clearer picture of the market. The free plan allows you to run multiple queries and analyze key trends without spending a dime, making it a practical tool for beginners and seasoned traders alike. Our third tool is CoinGlass, which is focused on cryptocurrency markets. CoinGlass provides real-time data on open interest, funding rates, and liquidations, helping you see unusual activity or trends in the crypto space. Even without a paid account, you can access basic charts and signals to identify potential opportunities or risks. For example, sudden spikes in liquidations can indicate short-term market volatility, which might be useful if you want to understand market sentiment and momentum. Now let's see how to combine these 3 tools into a simple workflow. Start with TradingView to scan stocks, ETFs, or crypto charts for technical patterns. Then use FinChat.io to check the fundamentals, news, and trend data for the same assets. Finally, if you're analyzing crypto, cross-check with CoinGlass to see market sentiment, funding rates, and open interest. By using all 3 together, you can get a much clearer picture of the market before making any decisions. It's about combining different sources of data to make smarter, more informed analyses without relying on guesswork. Remember, these tools are for analysis and trend spotting, not guarantees of profit. Markets are unpredictable, and investing always carries risk. Use these tools to inform yourself, spot patterns, and improve your understanding of market movements. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always do your own research in addition to using AI tools. Treat them as a supplement to your knowledge, not a replacement for it. To recap, today we looked at 3 free AI tools: TradingView, FinChat, and CoinGlass that can help you analyze stocks, ETFs, and crypto more efficiently. We also explored a practical workflow for combining these tools to gain insights faster. Try them out, Experiment with different setups and see how AI can help you understand markets in a smarter way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Cashflow Lab, leave a comment sharing your favorite AI investment tool, and hit the bell to get notifications for more tips on using AI for financial growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.